Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ria and today we are going to start a new series on Flutter. So let me tell you what is Flutter. So Flutter is a free and open source mobile UI framework which was created by Google in 2017. So what Flutter do? So Flutter helps you in creating mobile applications, desktop applications and web applications with the help of just one code. So you don't need to write lots of code for different platforms. Another thing is that Flutter is an open source, so you can get a lots of projects and information easily available on the internet. You can easily learn Flutter in just 1 or 2 weeks and you can start good projects in this. So now I'm going to share you that how you can install Flutter in your system and how you can start learning Flutter. So Flutter can be downloaded in Windows, Mac OS, Linux or Chrome OS platforms. So in Windows, like let's say if you are thinking of installing Flutter in your Windows, then I need to tell you that you need to have some pre-requirements. For example, at least 8 GB of RAM is necessary. The processor might be i5 or i7, a free memory space of at least 500 to 700 GB, and it is recommended that if you have SSD so that you can run and compile your applications more easily. So this is the official Flutter website from which you can download. So here I am clicking on Windows install. So here I just said these are all the requirements. After that you need to just download this zip file and extract the you need to make sure that you are extracting this zip file under the C drive of your PC. After doing this, you need to install the Git and you need to make sure that you have entered your mail ID and your Git credentials on your desktop. After that, you need to update your environmental variables and make sure to add this path like Flutter bean. I have seen that most of the people are facing problems in installing Flutter, so it's necessary to that you follow all these steps thoroughly. And after that, like these are the two main steps. Just extract this zip file under the C drive and update the environmental variables of your system, and after that you just need to write Flutter Doctor. So basically it will tell you Flutter Doctor is a thing which will check all the Flutter things, like whether they are installed or not, and if they are not, then it will show you something, this kind of an dialog box, that that this component is missing, please download this. After running Flutter Doctor, there are some you need to download Android Studio or VS Code to write the code. I recommend that you though you download Android Studio, but I recommend you to work in the VS Code because Android Studio is bit compared to heavy as compared to VS Code, and it will create a load on your device if you are using Android Studio. So as I have said that you need to download Android Studio, so these are the steps which you need to follow. After that, this step is must of creating the Android emulator. So basically we are running our applications in an Android emulator. So let me tell you, Android emulator is a kind of a virtual mobile phone in your device. It will help to run applications, and it's just the copy of your smartphone which you are using. After that you need to agree to this Flutter Doctor Android licenses, and you need to just press yes 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 to accept all the license. And yeah, after this you are good to run your first application in your Flutter. Let me know if you have any doubt in your comment section, and see you the next time. Bye.